Most people try to fix pain by digging harder, going deeper, stretching more vigorously, and that's a mistake. Actually, less is more. So if you're in pain, been in pain for a long time, you tried all the exercises, you're just flipping around trying to see things on YouTube, you're gonna wanna pay attention for the next 3 minutes because I'm finally gonna show you the easier, simpler, faster, and painless way to get out of your pain permanently. In this video, I'm gonna go over my 3-step system of how to permanently get out of pain. Step 1, softening. It's easier than you think. We're not gonna go along the belly of the muscle. We're gonna do cross fiber friction across the muscle. Let's get into it. So I like a full foam roller. You can use a half foam roller or even weights that are foam covered and steel so they don't move around and they have protrusions that can get into specific adhesions and knots. But first, we're gonna go down onto the lat and rhomboid, just like so. Now, I don't want you bruising yourself. We're just gonna come back and forth, back and forth. And as you see, I'm not rolling like this. I'm going cross fiber friction, back and forth, and we're only doing this for about a minute. We're not trying to completely get rid of pain. We're just trying to get into those fibers, warm things up, and then start to feel better. Once you're about 20–30% feeling better, stop there. Don't go too far. This should only take about a minute. Step 2, you're gonna need a pull-up bar. A foam roller, hand weights, and a pull-up bar are necessary for all these 3 steps. Step 2, go to the pull-up bar, take your arm and put it up on the pull-up bar. Go ahead and keep your feet flat on the floor, taking a 5-second breath in and a 5-second breath out. As you do this, you'll feel it begin to stretch. You need 40 continuous seconds of stretching with diaphragmatic breathing. Now, step 3 is gonna look exactly like step 2. And as you can see here on the video, I am attempting to pull down. But I'm not doing a pull-up. My feet are still flat on the floor, and you'll see an active shaking happening in my rhomboid and lat. This is only a 20% effort. It's a very minor effort, but it's important we do a consistent effort for the entire 40 seconds. Again, 5 seconds out, 5 seconds in, diaphragmatic breathing. This shaking releases the muscle, and this is the way we build tendons and ligaments rather than hypertrophy. We don't need big muscles, we just want healthy, relaxed, loose muscles. This is the 3-step system. It can be done anywhere. Even if you don't have a pull-up bar, perhaps you have just a door, and coming up to the door and even using the molding around the door. Since we're not doing a full pull-up, we're just holding, breathing in, breathing out. It can be done at any office at any time, and you're kind of surprised that the results of softening, pinning and stretching, and then a minor activation at 15 to 20% of your effort for at least 40 seconds, done at a minimum of 6 days a week, will permanently release the tissue, integrate it, and help you get ready for vigorous activity. I challenge you to use the 3S system every day, 6 days a week. And today we're talking about the rhomboid, but this release system can be used anywhere with any muscle in the body, and in a very quick period of time, you'll see your posture improve, you'll see pain relax, you'll see your endurance improve on long drives. Check out the other videos to see how to release each individual muscle group.